Weather with 27 Storm Track's Catherine Noel.
Hey, good morning, everyone. Well, it is no secret that we are just extremely dry in southern Wisconsin, really across the state, right? So when looking at the new data that has come out about our deficit where we're at, we need about 2 inches of rain, some even getting close to that 3-inch mark or 1 inch. I mean, look at the last 30 days compared to normal, right? So we are just well down from what we are actually normally experiencing, making it now the 4th driest spring on record. So right now we're at about 3.67 inches, getting closer and closer to maybe reaching a 3rd place, maybe even a 2nd as we go into the next couple months, or this month at least. So we'll see where this ends, but we do have rain in sight, although it's not for a little while. So enjoy the dry, beautiful clouds and skies while we have it. So more clouds are kind of starting to come in. It's those drier, puffy cumulus clouds that we can see, but a lot of sunshine is making its way through. 59 degrees, it's helping us warm up, and it feels like 59 out there. We do have calm winds in certain areas, otherwise light winds. We are making that switch from the north and northeast, what we've been experiencing the past couple days, to the west. So that's also helping us warm up, that and the fact we don't have much of a breeze out there affecting our temps. So a lot of us are in the 60s right now, are getting to that 60-degree mark. Montello 60, Lone Rock 60 degrees, otherwise the mid to upper 50s, feeling much warmer today compared to the last few mornings and even the last week. We do have absolutely nothing to show on clouds and radar when you look at Wisconsin. We just have high pressure that's been moving from Minneapolis area down across the state and now really just sitting over us, starting to make its way a little bit more eastward and southward, but still dominating our weather, giving us these really clear skies at day and night. That's why our temps have been dropping so low. When we have that high pressure over us, that's when our low is going to be dropping very low, especially likely one of the lowest and coldest nights of the week, and that's what we already experienced. So we are starting on that warming trend. So getting to 60 degrees here shortly. That is where we stay majority of the day, the afternoon. Really the low 60s though, maybe pulling a mid 60 as we go on throughout 2-3 o'clock. At that time, just getting a little bit more cloud cover too. And then overnight we start to clear again. And what that does, it drops our temps. Not as low as what we've been experiencing, but I will say, maybe account for just a little bit of frost. It's not something that should be shocking if you wake up to that, but it's not going to be widespread. It would be very, very patchy if any of us saw it. And then we go in through warming our lows and warming our highs, getting to the upper 60s eventually, starting to feel a little bit more like what it actually should feel like in May, and not as cold as what we've been experiencing because it's been feeling more like April. But we are on that trend, an upward trend, and we are going to get to summer temps here shortly, May 20th through May 26th. Here's our temp outlook. Potentially the 70s and 80s. And we could be a little bit wetter than average, which, like I said, we really could use. So we are really dry, gorgeous weather the next few days, a decent amount of sunshine, and it's going to help us warm to the upper and mid 60s. As we go on throughout the weekend, those temps do stay with us, so it's going to feel very nice, very mild, but then the rain chances do come. I think, our rain's pushing back a little bit. Earlier this week, it looked like Saturday may be the wet day, but now it's looking a little bit more like Sunday. So Sunday during the day, maybe the evening, and then storms possibly overnight. Sunday night into Monday, another rain chance, but like I said, we really, really need this rain.
Yes, definitely. And it's nice to see those warmer temperatures too. I know we've really been craving that.
And sticking with us,
yes.
I think.
Catherine, thank you.